Hello guys, today we are talking about the chroma key. So let's start the video. What is chroma key? In Premiere Pro, chroma key is very helpful. It helps us to remove the video background, especially the green screen. In film industry, all the recording take place with a green screen. This is also called green screen recording. We have one video with a green screen. In this video, drone is flying. We have another video of the road as shown in the video. Now first drag the background video to the timeline and select keep existing sequence and then put the drone video on the upper layer just like that. Unlink the video. Now we will remove green screen to make the video look natural. For that purpose we use key effects. Go to Windows, select effects, go to video effects. We have different type of effects here. Go to key effects. We have different type of key effects here. Select ultra key, drag it onto the drone video and go to effect control. As you can see, ultra key effect is now applied. What does ultra key do? It removes the selected color from the video and make the area transparent so we can see the background video below. First use the key color and use the sample tool and click on the green color in the video. Now green color is removed. You can see the background clearly. In the video, you can see the drone is flying over the road and the mountains on the sides. In the settings, we have different modes. You can choose aggressive mode as well. Function of aggressive mode, it removes the more green color and give a cleaner result. You can also change the output to alpha channel. Function of alpha channel. It shows black and white view. White part stays, black part become transparent. This helps you check how clean the key is. If needed, go to matte cleanup. Function of matte cleanup, it cleans the edges of the subject. You can set the midpoint and adjust contrast to make edges smooth and better. You can also adjust the position of the drone to make it look perfect. Just like that. That was today's video about chroma key in Premiere Pro. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.